Hi all, I'm Cheryl Hung, VP of Ecosystem at the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, where I lead the end user community. With over 140 companies, it's the largest end user community of any foundation or open standards body, and it demonstrates just how widely and successfully Cloud Native has been adopted. When I joined CNCF in 2018, I already understood the value of Cloud Native due to my own time as a C++ engineer at Google, where I built backend features for maps and deployed them using Borg, Google's internal predecessor to Kubernetes. Nonetheless, I've been amazed to see the widespread adoption across organizations large and small, across dozens of different countries and different industries, and it's not an exaggeration to call Kubernetes the Linux of the cloud. However, one of the most common complaints that I hear from end users is that there's just too many options. With over 1,500 solutions on the CNCF landscape, choosing how to integrate those into a complete solution is a non-trivial problem. This is backed up by the CNCF's 2020 survey, where we asked engineers for their top challenges when it came to using and deploying containers. 41% of respondents said that complexity was a challenge for them, making it the #1 reported issue. And surprisingly, that's not changed since 2017, where 39% reported the same. It was also interesting to see in the same survey that although we frequently hear about public cloud, 52% of respondents run private cloud and 36% run hybrid. There are many end-user industries that will continue to need to run on-prem. For example, financial services, which have regulatory and compliance needs that require more customization than public cloud. For that reason, I'm so excited to see Crossplane enabling end users to reduce the complexity of building their own cloud infrastructure. Likewise, I also see a rising trend among end users embracing GitOps. So having declarative infrastructure configuration means that teams can bring those GitOps best practices of creating, tracking, and improving changes to infrastructure, as well as to applications. On the community side, CNCF welcomed Crossplane in June 2020 as a sandbox project. Since then, the number of contributors has increased 5-fold, and they've collectively made 25,000 contributions. Crossplane is an outstanding example of how a neutral home and open governance enables community-driven innovation. Congratulations to everyone involved in the Crossplane project for your incredible hard work, and I look forward to seeing how far you'll go. Lastly, if you run cloud native infrastructure, I highly recommend that you join the CNCF end user community. Kubernetes and cloud native has matured, and many companies have already solved the same challenges that you're facing today. Come and join the end user community, where you can not only discuss the common challenges with your peers, but also communicate back your requirements to projects like Crossplane. As an added bonus, if you join the CNCF end user community in 2021, you'll get 5 coupons to use for any Linux Foundation training, which means you can have 5 engineers take the CKA, CKAD, or the new CKS certifications for free. Go to cncf.io/join for more. Thank you so much for having me today. You can contact me at chung@linuxfoundation.org or on my blog at oicheryl.com. That's OICHERYL.com. Enjoy the rest of today's event.